Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Reviewer Winspections, the go-to destination for best neck massagers. If you're new here, I'm Nathan, and thrilled to have you join our community. Today's video is going to be top 5 neck massagers, something I'm passionate about, and I think you'll love it too. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. It helps out the channel. Alright, let's get into today's content. Number 1. Theragun Mini Handheld Electric Massage Gun. The Theragun Mini Gen 4 provides impressive power in an extremely portable package. This pocket-sized, battery-powered percussion massager weighs in at just 1 pound. Yet it can provide up to 20 pounds of pressure. It's ergonomically designed to be easy to hold, and you'll want to use the lowest speed for your neck. But this deceptively small device can provide relief for your whole body. Theragun Mini offers all the benefits of handheld percussion therapy in a convenient pocket size. Theragun quality meets ultimate portability. Personalized wellness. With a universal attachment and 3 speeds, your device has the power to massage any area like a pro. Massage on the go with ultra-quiet deep penetrating technology. Percussive therapy, ultra-quiet with advanced sound insulation and premium design. Melt away your tension and empower your recovery with the Theragun Deep Tissue Handheld Massage Gun. Easy to grip, compact yet powerful. The Mini strikes a unique balance between power and portability. Number 2. Homedics Back and Neck Massager. When you just want to lie your head down at the end of a long day and relieve your aching neck, consider Homedics Body Massage Pillow. This cushion has massage nodes that let you switch between shiatsu, vibration, and heated settings. The pillow adjusts to the contours of your body and can be used for your back, shoulders, and calves, as well. The heat also has an automatic shutoff after 15 minutes should you be lulled into slumber. If you're looking for full body relaxation, check out the Best Massage Chairs. This massage pillow delivers a circular kneading massage and features nodes that move in an inward and outward motion for a deeper, more authentic shiatsu massage. Vibration helps to invigorate and loosen tight muscles, creating a sense of full body relaxation. Heat comforts tense muscles in your upper back, lower back, neck, and shoulders. Number 3. Hypervolt 2 Pro Handheld Percussion Massage Gun. Muscle soreness is common for athletes, so investing in a high-quality massager for your whole body makes sense. The powerful Hypervolt 2 features 5 different head attachments to customize your experience: fork, ball, cushion, flat, and bullet. This gun also operates at 5 speeds, but given the sensitivity of the neck area, Hypervolt recommends that you use the slow and easy setting around that area. This massage gun may be overkill if you're only concerned about your neck. But if your whole body needs relief, this massage gun is up to the task. Get the same powerful percussion massage therapy that the world's best athletes have, right in the palm of your hand. Our most powerful device ever, now with 5 variable speeds and a new digital dial. The Hypervolt 2 Pro is our strongest percussion device, offering deep penetrating relief to stiff muscles, so you can train harder and recover faster. Number 4. Comfier Portable Heated Neck Massager. If you're looking for a greater range of therapy from a neck massager, the Comfier Portable Heated Neck Massager might be the right option. This battery-powered U-shaped device features 6 modes of massage: cupping, tapping, scraping, shiatsu, acupuncture, and relaxation. This massager also incorporates 15 levels of electric muscle stimulation, which uses electricity to stimulate muscle contractions. You can also incorporate heat into the experience, which ranges from 100.4 to 118.4 degrees Fahrenheit, and change the settings through a remote control. The company says a 3-hour charge should last up to 10 days. Comfier Cervical Spine Massager adopts the latest 3D intelligent bonding technology, and the 360 degrees floating suspension electrode can cover a wider neck massage area, greatly helping to alleviate neck pain. Also, combined with unique ergonomics, the head relaxer adopts a U-shaped design and a highly elastic frame that can perfectly fit the neck size and curve of different people without slipping off. Number 5. True Medic Massage Gun. People who need more powerful relief may want to consider a massage gun like this option from True Medic. This percussion massager features 6 frequency settings, from 2000 to 7000 vibrations per minute. The True Medic also comes with 6 interchangeable heads that users can use to customize the intensity of their massage. Powered by a lithium-ion battery, this massage gun has a quiet motor and can last up to 4 hours on a single charge. And it's also ultra-portable and can be used all over the body. This ultra-portable device is powerful enough to help provide relief to sore muscles by stimulating the blood flow to affected areas of the body. It delivers quick taps of energy that help muscles and break up knotted tissue. Incredibly quiet, brushless motor. The device is powered by an incredibly whisper quiet, brushless motor that won't disrupt people around you. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.